Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the best disposable masks for small children, the Pure Gem Kids Disposable Face Masks. These masks are a fantastic choice for parents looking to keep their little ones safe and comfortable while they go about their daily activities. These masks are specially designed for kids, making them perfect for school, childcare, outdoor activities, and even shopping trips. The masks come in a pack of 100, ensuring you'll have plenty to last for a while. They're made from high-quality materials and are disposable, so you don't have to worry about washing or storing them. Simply use them and dispose of them responsibly. The Pure Gem Kids Disposable Face Masks are lightweight and breathable, so your child won't feel discomfort while wearing them for long periods. The 3-ply design provides effective protection against smoke, droplets, dust, and other pollutants, while ensuring your child can breathe easily. Plus, the soft elastic ear loops are gentle on their ears, preventing any irritation, and the metal strip at the nose ensures a secure, comfortable fit. Another great feature of these masks is their versatility. Whether your child is going to school, playing outside, or simply running errands with you, these masks will provide reliable protection in various environments. The masks are gentle on the skin, and the solid black color ensures they're stylish enough for both boys and girls. Not only are these masks effective, but they also meet safety standards, giving you peace of mind that your child is protected while going about their day. Pure Gem also offers a satisfaction guarantee, so if you have any questions or concerns, they are ready to help resolve them. In conclusion, the Pure Gem Kids Disposable Face Masks are a must-have for any parent looking for a reliable, comfortable, and safe face mask for their child. Whether for school, outdoor play, or a simple outing, these masks are a great choice to ensure their safety and comfort. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more product reviews. See you in the next one.